the first reaction video I ever done, and it's not even it ain't even something I usually react to, but since it's special to me, I'm like, why not? So, yeah, let's get into it.
In blue, it's in a blue box, y'all. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Hold on, there's a card in here. Dang, if I read the card, it's our story. You sent me some dessert? It's like, because look, it's talking about cake, guys. So, wait a minute, what? Hold up. Because we got plastic around here. Oh. I'm sorry, even if it is cake, I'm excited. To me, it's very much so the small things.
That big old knife she got though, girl, be careful.
And if y'all don't know, Uniquely, she is a fellow YouTuber / my new co-host on one of my podcasts called Unapologetically Dripped. On Anchor and Spotify and all those little things. I am going to link it below. And I also have my own podcast outside of anybody named Queening It. So, okay, Touche speaks from
Go listen. Go listen.
My ear in my way. Thank you for being you. Happy as hell to have a friend like you. Kisses, stay powerful. Oh, man. Like, bro.
Oh, she was the jumping
so
tears.
right now. And I love the way this box opens. Oh. Hold on, shoot. Bro, I've been seeing these on the commercial. That's so cool. Hold on, because this butterfly didn't fly nowhere. I'm so, hold on, we're going to make it rain. I'm excited. And it is like a cupcake with some cookies in it. Bro, I'm so excited. I've been seeing these on.
She said no.